This is iPhone 7 running iOS 14.1, and today in this video I like to share with you guys iOS 14 new feature and how to customize your iPhone 7. I'm SHADAT from SHADAT'S DAYOUT, so let's start the video. So let's see iOS 14 new feature. You can add widget in your home screen. You get new app gallery, reply to a specific message. You get new translation, hide the video side of the screen, browse guide, draw perfect. So this is all about new features iOS 14. So how to customize your home screen and how to add your widgets on your home screen. Tap on the home screen and click on the plus icon and select which widget you add on your home screen. And the same way you can add more widgets on your home screen. How to hide your unnecessary app page. Again tap on your empty home page and click bottom of the page and select which page you want to hide on your home screen, and that's it. And this page do not show your home screen, and you also unhide your unnecessary page on the same way. So after iOS 14 update, my phone performance is pretty well. I do not face any problem. Okay, this is all about iPhone 7 iOS 14 review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you on another video. I'm SHADAT from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. Allah Hafiz.